Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Tax Sale Properties Ontario can be a very lucrative real estate investment, provided you have taken proper training and coaching. Being a professional real estate investor, it is very important to know about basic definitions and cautions to be taken into consideration when deciding to purchase a property through the Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Canadian real estate investors must learn thoroughly by attending eyewitness live training as well as apprenticeship to avoid mistakes and make fortune in investing in Ontario tax sale properties. Cancellation price means an amount equal to all the realty tax arrears owing on a parcel of land at any time in respect of land, together with all current realty taxes, interest, penalties, and reasonable costs incurred by the municipality in Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Tax deed is a tax deed, as prescribed by Section 379 of the Act, provided to the successful purchaser of the property after payment of the balance of the tendered bid price, and is registered on title in the Land Registry Office, transferring the ownership of the property to the successful purchaser in Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Notice of vesting means a notice prepared under Section 379(15) of the Act conferring title to the municipality where there has been no successful tender of a parcel of land and the sale has not been cancelled by the City Treasurer in Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Crown interest is an interest in a property in favour of the Government of Canada or Government of Ontario. It is important to know if there are any Crown interests in a property that is being sold through the public tax sale process and in Tax Sale Properties Ontario. This interest will remain with the property even after a tax sale. Examples of Crown interests in Canada are as follows. 1. Canada Revenue Agency. 2. Income Tax Act. 3. Retail Sales Tax Act. 4. Minister of Finance. 5. Business Development Bank. 6. Farm Credit Corporation. Execution search is a search in the Sheriff's Office in Ontario of judgments that have been issued by a court of law against the property owner. If the execution creditor is not the Crown, the execution will not affect the property after the tax sale. If the execution creditor is the Crown, the judgment will remain with the property in Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Title search is a search of the records on title to a particular parcel of land in the Land Registry Office. A title search will reveal vital information about the property, including, but not limited to, who owns the property, what mortgages, easements and restrictive covenants may affect it, and if there are any surveys registered on title in Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Land transfer tax is a tax that must be paid when land is sold and payable to the provincial government. The land transfer tax must be paid into the municipality together with the balance of the tendered bid amount if you are the successful purchaser in Tax Sale Properties Ontario. Tender packages. Tax Sale Properties Ontario. The tender package is a collection of forms and information about the properties that are listed for sale by public tender. Most tender packages may include information such as 1. Roll number applicable to property. 2. Legal description. 3. Assessed value of each property. 4. Annual taxes levied. 5. Zoning information. 6. GIS map which will illustrate where the property is located, size of the property. 7. Digital photo if available. Tax Sale Properties Ontario tender packages will also include the forms that you will need to submit. These forms are 1. Form 7, Tender to Purchase. 2. Envelope Template. 3. Tax Sale Information Bulletin. Want to learn more about Tax Sale Properties Ontario? To earn more, please go to www.flippingforprofit.ca.